Welcome student, this is Varsha CBC Max 10. So this is the solution for ICC Max 9th standard from the algebra lesson. See, this is the 7th question in the video. So if a minus b is equal to 3, a cube minus b cube is equal to 117, then a plus b. Find out the a plus b value. Okay. See, this is a cube minus b cube 117. This is given. So from the cube you have to find a plus b. But it is a minus b is also that. So you have to know the cube identity first. Okay, so what is our cube identity, students? See, a cube minus b cube, that is equal to a minus b. See, a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, this is one of the answer. Okay, so for a cube and b, a cube minus b cube, and another one is a minus b the whole cube plus 3ab a minus b. So a cube minus b cube. See, you can write a cube minus b cube. You can have two answers. Okay, so these both are equal, but for this sum, which one is suitable? So that is the first thing we have to find. Okay, so see, a minus b, so this is given in the formula. So a question, a cube minus b cube, this is also given. So this is a plus b. It is not suitable for our sum because the square term is here, a square and b square is ab. But here, see, a minus b, ab we can found, and a minus b. So this is the suitable identity for us. So first we have selected the right identity. Okay, see, we can substitute here. So a minus b, a cube minus b cube, the value is given 117. Then a minus b is also given, that is 3 cube plus 3, ab is not given, again a minus b is equal to 3. Okay students, so in this step 3 cube is 27 plus this is 9ab, the 117. Okay, see your 27 comes this side as minus 27, so equal to 9ab. So this is, if you subtract, you will get 0, 9. So 9ab. So ab equal to, see, 9 divided by 9. So if you cancel, you will get 0. So ab is equal to 0. Okay students, do you understand? So we have found the value of ab, but we have to find a plus b. So for that we have already have studied about the square formula. So we are going to use that identity. See, what is that identity? A plus b. So we have to find a plus b. Okay, isn't it students? So what is that identity? A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is the identity we are going to use. So we can find a plus b. Okay, so but this is a square plus b square is there, but we don't know the value. So we are going to convert this into a minus b. Okay, so what is the relationship? So in this video I am going to tell that also. So see, this is a minus b square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we need a plus b. We want to find a plus b with using a minus b, because a minus b is given in the question. So but we want a plus b. So we have to connect this. Okay, so how will you connect? See, so the a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so I am going to change this a minus b equal to a minus b the whole square. So for that I need minus 2ab. So I am going to subtract and add 2ab for 2 times. See, I have subtract and add. Okay, so both the sign have same. So இப்போ see a square minus 2ab plus b square. So these terms you have add 4ab. Do you understand, students, in this step? See, now this is, we can write a minus b the whole square plus 4ab. So this is a plus b the whole square. See, students, a plus b the whole square can be written with a minus b the whole square. So these two algebraic we can connect. We have connected the algebraic identities a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square. See, we have connected. So with this connection we can find the value of a plus b. See, so here in this video I am giving only a plus b the whole square. In the next videos we can do a minus b the whole square in terms of a plus b the whole square in a similar way. Do you understand this step? So a plus b the whole square can be written with that using a minus b the whole square plus 4ab. So you are converting, that is why you have add and subtract 2ab. Do you understand? So we are going to use this identity to this question. See, how will you write? A plus b the whole square is equal to, yes, a minus b the whole square plus 4ab. Okay, so see, a plus b the whole square we need to find. A minus b whole square is, this is 3. So it is 3 square plus 4 into ab we found out. Okay, with the help of a cube minus b cube formula we have found ab is equal to 10. So substitute here. So this is 9, 4 in 10s are 40. So this is 49. Okay, so this is a square, we have to take square root to find a plus b. So the root of 49, that is plus or minus 17. So you take plus value. So a plus b is equal to 7. So this is our answer. Okay, students, do you understand? Yes. So this is a very interesting sum. So a plus b the whole square you can write in terms of a minus b. This is very important. Okay, students, in the next video I will give you the next relationship. Okay, so do you understand? I hope you all understand. So please, after seeing the video, do the sum. Okay, thank you, students.